Hey everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing of a huge box I received today. Now this just doesn't have Hot Wheels in it, this has a bunch of other interesting stuff in it too. And you guys will see what's in here. It's not just Hot Wheels. Let me just get it open for you guys. All right, here we go. So, what is this? Let's take a look and see what this is. I think this is the Winner's Circle cars. We have this one. This is just a regular Jeff Gordon. And then the Superman version. What else? Probably will need to get a scissor for some of this stuff. And this is the Matchbox Applejacks Model T Ford. Star Wars, Lando, Rebel Fleet Trooper, COPD car, Disney Mickey Mouse, Hot Wheels Ultra Rage 2009, Maisto, Humvee, 1956 Ford 2005. We got the rest of the stuff here. If there's anything else. Dodge, grab a scissor. Hold on one second, guys. I think this is the turtle. Yep, this is a tortoise. Lamborghini Urus. Easter exclusives, eye candy. All the garbage in here. Skittles car. 3-pack. It is a 3-pack of Hot Wheels. It's Splatoon 3-pack. We have 2 more things. Shelby Cobra. And then finally these little Star Wars minifigures. These are pretty cool. This one and this one. And that's it for my haul today, guys. Have a good day.